Welcome back, guys. It has been a long time since I made a video, since my last unboxing, but there hasn't been a whole lot out there. It's been like dry spell right now, and I don't know why, but there is a dry spell out there. There's some people that are finding red editions from Target and some new of the premiums, the new Fast and Furious, but I haven't seen those come out yet. But as soon as I get them, I will make a video of those. But I just want to share with you guys what I found in monster trucks, and it's becoming to be really cool castings. Like one of them is this nice VW bus from 2021, and it comes with a crushable car. But the VW bus is awesome. And this one's brown and reddish. That's the back. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, it says Monster Trucks with the Hot Wheels logo right there on the back. I mean, this paint scheme is just nice. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I've been picking up some monster trucks lately because some of the monster trucks that have been coming out has been really cool, and there's some good castings. The other one I found was a VW Beetle, and this is a cool casting as well. And I noticed there's been like a Barbie monster truck out there of the Camaro, but I haven't seen it at all. This is the VW Beetle, and it's awesome too as well. This casting's nice. And the other one I want to show is another Beetle, but in the Love Bug delivery. And this is awesome too as well. Nice flat gray, or it's not flat, like a shiny gray. That's the front. It's called the Love Bug. Die-cast metal body. Yeah, that's sweet. And then the other one is another VW bus, but in a different paint scheme. This is blue and white. Looks like white flames on a blue. I think this is my favorite one. Delivery on this is my favorite. It says Hot Wheels right there in the back. Monster truck with the Hot Wheels logo right there in the back as well, and big writing. And then that's the front end. Die-cast metal body. But yeah, there's some cool stuff. This is some cool castings. So I've been picking up some monster trucks, the ones I like. And so far, these are the ones. This Midwest Madness, I think I'm going to pick that one up. That's a nice Chevy truck. It looks like a Chevy or a Ford. The Race Ace is nice, and I think the Racing Manual Mamas is nice. The Power Crusher too, or Podium Crusher, that looks cool too. Yeah, well, I just wanted to share what I found in monster trucks, and I just want to thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel. So awesome seeing it grow. If you guys share and like, don't forget I'm still doing that giveaway. Once we hit 250 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, If you guys want to know what it is, there's a video posted on the main page. You can visit and watch that one. And I just want to thank everyone for supporting me in this channel, and it's been awesome. And I really appreciate all you guys. And comment down below. Let me know which one's your favorite monster trucks, or if this is something you guys like to see more of on the channel. Let me know down in the comments. And God bless everybody. This is Hotwheels Madness. I'm out.